Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to work out worded percentage questions. And here we are just talking about percentage increase. Basically, what it is, there are different types of percentage questions, especially when it comes to worded questions. So what here I'm going to explain you this the concept of percentage increase. What I will recommend you is that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it, because these type of topics, they are quite popular in GCSE level exam, 11 plus exam, key stage 2 and key stage 3 level exam as well. So if we talk about, for example, question number 1, here it says a bookstore buys a bookstore buys books for 15 pound and sells them for 21 pound. What is their percentage profit? So what we have to do, we have to find their percentage profit. So what we do is, the formula you need to learn is, for percentage profit, is percentage increase. This is very important to learn this formula, right? Percentage in, I will recommend you to, if you can make note of it, it will be better. Percentage increase is equal to actual increase, actual increase, and we have to divide it by the initial value. I will tell you what all this is. It looks a bit complicated, but you need to write down this formula. This is very important. Initial value, and then times it by 100. So this is the formula for which we will use for both the questions. Percentage increase is equal to actual increase over initial value times 100. So what is actual increase? Actual increase means the price was 15, but now the price of the books has, they are selling it is 21 pound. So from 15 to 21 pound. So what was their profit basically? So what we do, for actual increase, what we do, take away 21 pound from 15 pound. So when we take away 21 pound from 15 pound, what we get? 6. And what was the initial value? Initial value was 15 pound, because that was the actual price of the books, right? So what we do, we write 6, which is the actual increase, divided by what was the initial price, 15 pound, and we times it by 100. So once we work them out, we will get the final answer. So we can work them out. We can divide 3 and 15. They both go on 3's timetable. So 3 times 3, sorry, 3 times 2 is 6. Let me rub it, or I can just change it here. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 5. And then we can times 5, and it's 20 times. So it's simply, I'm canceling them or simplifying them. So basically 20 times 2 is 40. So what was the increase? 40% was the increase, right? So 40% was the increase. So that is our answer. Here, remember, we just have to find the percentage increase. So what was the percentage increase? That was 40%. So if you don't understand this question, I will recommend you to rewind this video and watch it again. Now I'm going to show you how to do the second question. Remember the formula I have already written there. I'm not going to write down the same formula here in the second question. The formula is actual increase over initial value times 100. That is the formula to find the percentage increase. The question number 2 says a shop buys toys for 5 pound and sells them for 6 pound. Find their percentage profit. So we have to find their percentage profit. So what it means, we have to find actual increase. So what was the actual increase? So we take away 6, because this is the price where they were selling it. Then we take away 5, so it will be 1. So this is the actual increase. So what we do, we write 1 over initial value. Initial value was 5 pound. So we write 5 and then times it by 100. So please remember to write down this formula, the one I mentioned in question number 1. It will, because these type of questions, they come again and again, and try to memorize this formula as well. So now we can work them out. Is 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 20 is 100. So what was the increase? 200. Sorry, 20. So because 5 times 1 is 5, and so what is the increase? 20. So 20% was their profit. 20% was their increase. And this will be our answer for this question. And the answer for the question number one is 40% increase. So this was 40 was our answer. Hope you understand it. And if you still have any questions, please just write in the comment box and I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to it because I'm uploading videos quite regularly. Thank you. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.